What is up, guys? It's your boy Haryat here. We're about to do another video, and this is with regards to the series Now What Lies Beneath. No, it's not the movie starring Michelle Pfeiffer or something, or someone. Kasi pag ginugol mo What Lies Beneath, yun ang unang lumilitaw eh. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa nga napanood yung pelikula na yun eh. Well, anyway, we're here to discuss What Lies Beneath. Kasi on the Netflix timeline, mas advanced kasi ang episodes ng What Lies Beneath sa Netflix. So, I'm just gonna put a spoiler tag on the title sa mga nanonood sa Kapamilya Channel timeline where the reveal will be introduced on Wednesday. Kasi third day ng airing to eh. The Netflix timeline ng What Lies Beneath starts at Friday. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is equivalent to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ayun. So, yeah. Advance mag-isip. Now, what is this reveal that I'm talking about? Well, sa mga sumusunod sa What Lies Beneath, sa mga sumusubaybay sa palabas na yun, it's about 5 girls. Okay? It's about 5 girls. It's, baka mamaya mag-pause. Okay, buti naman hindi nag-pause. Sana hindi ka huwag ka mag-pause. And here is, regarding What Lies Beneath. It's about these 5 girls. Wala time picture. Let's go get to the subreddit. Just to look on it. Ayan. Okay, fine. Mel, Alice, Beth, Erica, and Luisa. Okay. Mel is played by Sue Ramirez. Alice is played by Janela Salvador. Beth is played by Charlie Dizon. Erica is played by Kyla Estrada. And Luisa, unfortunately she has 0 votes here. Luisa is played by Mutia or Kia. So she has no adult version. Okay? She is stuck to her teenage self dito sa series na to. Why? Because someone killed her. And the whole series revolves around solving that mystery. Who really killed Luisa that night? So, yung young versions ng nila Mel, Alice, Beth, and Erica, respectively, ay si Raik Alim, Eliza Baromeo, Alison McBride, and Crystal Mejes. 3 of which, you might be familiar kasi kasali sila sa PBB, Celebrity Collab Season 2.0. Okay. So, yun yung mystery dito. Ang initial suspect at ang na falsely accused nila to get jailed is Edmundo Santiago, Edong, si Jake Cuenca. Yun. And hanga ako kay Jake Cuenca dito kasi he pulled off Double Duty, Batang Quiapo, tapos What Lies Beneath. I believe in an interview he stated na his schedule since What Lies Beneath was MWF, Batang Quiapo, Tuesdays, Thursdays, taping niya What Lies Beneath. So, kudos, Jake. Yun, since Jake was falsely accused, yung mystery dito is who really is the killer. So, samot-sari ang mga naging teorya dito sa Reddit. It revolves around Christina, the wheelchair-bound lady. It revolves around Lucas, yung kapatid ni Edong, played by JM de Guzman. It revolves around Angelo. Nakalimutan ko sino artista niya. Pero siya yung asawa ni Lizelle, played by Mary Joy Apostol. Ayun. Si Lizelle ay love interest ni Luisa. So they were in a girl-to-girl relationship, pero hindi sila nagkatuluyan kasi tatay ni Lizelle ay isang pastor, kaya nakatuluyan ni Lizelle si Angelo at alam ni Angelo na may lihim na relasyon si Lizelle sa si Luisa. Boom. Voted. Okay. It also revolved around Kyle, yung dati nilang kakase na Jack, prom king siguro. rich kid, ma-impluensya, yung typical na high school jock nyo, played by Kobe Brown, and yung adult version niya is played by Ivan Karapiay. Okay. And there are theories revolving na si Alice ang pumatay kay Luisa for some reason kasi kasi imposible yun kasi si Alice na witness niya para napatay si Luisa eh. But enough about that. Ngayon, I think the theory kasi na si Alice ang pumatay ay dahil kino-cover up ng mga babae mismo at yung buong storya ng pagkamatay ni Luisa is just falsified statement. Kasi nga pinalsify nila na si Edong yung pumatay. So what more that they can falsify the whole plot itself. I think that's digging too deep. Kaya imposible yun. And it has to take a little bit of leeway. Diba? Kasi may mga flashbacks dito eh. Imposible na lahat ng flashbacks dito peke. And it doesn't check out with the Lizelle Luisa storyline, di ba? So, ano pa dito ang who are still the killer? Marco is suspected to be a killer. Even Anton, the husband ni Mel na napatay ni Edong. Thank you Edong. Nakakainis yun eh. Okay. So, meron dito isang karakter since episode 4 na very suspicious and his name is Uncle Edward. Siya ang tiyuhin ni Alice. And ever since I saw that man, ever since makita ko siya, umano na yung radar namin. Just to the fact that if you search the subreddit, Edward, nag-pause ba? Ayan. See? Everyone is actually sussing him out. Everyone has been sussing Uncle Edward out. So, ayan pa, 1 month ago, see, ang tagal ng pinormulate ng Reddit verse, ng subreddit ng What Lies Beneath, na except this dude, na si Edward yung killer. And why? He is giving Epstein vibes, bro. He is giving Diddy vibes na isa siyang pedophile. And with all the evidence that really build up to this show, leading up to last week of the What Lies Beneath episodes, it is revealed that Edward is really a pedophile. Yung karakter ni Joel Molina ay isang pedophile. Ayan. So, tama ang Reddit. And it turns out, as of today, March 15, 2026, on the Netflix timeline ng What Lies Beneath, si Uncle Edward ang pumatay kay Luisa. So, set up dito, nalaman ni Alice na si Edward yung muntik nang gumahasa sa kanya, which left her memory beneath. So, you can say it lied beneath her brain. At na-mental blackout siya sa nangyari, yung sa traumatizing na yun. Naalala ni Alice kasi pumunta siya sa secret chamber ni Edward. And then, natugasan siya. Edward explained everything that he was in love with a young Alice, like 7-year-old Alice. Muntik na niyang gahasain. Nalaman pa ng tatay ni Alice because of all the evidence na tumuturo sa kanya. And sinabi niya, blessing in disguise na namatay yung tatay ni Alice. Blessing in disguise na mental blackout si Alice sa nangyari sa kanya. And that the world is giving him what he deserves after he has been molested by his dad for all these years. So, in reality na yung pang-abuso ng tatay ni Edward sa kanya, it gave birth to this monster of a pedophile na, ayun. Yeah, so Joel Molina is indeed the killer of Luisa. And it all happened dito. Knock out ni Edward si Alice kasi nalaman niya na pedophile si Edward. And then niligtas or to the rescue sina Mel, sina Alice at si Beth. Mel, Erica, and Beth, I'm sorry, kay Alice. And then Erica just had a flashback, nakita niya habang nag-i-scaffold, habang may struggle si Mel, nagtatago po si Mel at si Beth laban kay Edward, na nahatak yung suot ni Edward sa likod, may peklat siya, and it all goes back to Erica at naalala niya na, yes, Edward ay may peklat sa likod. And yes, the reason why Edward is the killer ni Luisa, yung kanyang motive is, Luisa, after she got injured dahil binatukan siya ng babae, okay, lumapit siya kay Edward because it's apparently evident throughout the series, if you followed it, Luisa and Edward are close. Nangutang si Luisa ng 10K para sa plano niyang maglayas kasama si Lizelle na hindi natuloy. Dahil doon, binatukan siya, nang umalik ng ibang lalaki si Luisa para paselosin si Lizelle. Yung girlfriend ng lalaki, binatukan si Luisa sa likod. Sugatan si Luisa, may dugo sa ulo. Bumalik siya kay Edward, siguro isasoli yung 10K kasi hindi natuloy eh. And then she find out that Edward is fondling with pictures ng huli niyang biktima. And then, yeah, I think tomorrow's episode, we will see the flashback of how Edward chased Luisa and ended up killing her. And yeah, Uncle Edward is your man. It was him, Austin. It was him, Amorao. It was him all along. How does this affect the ending of What Lies Beneath? Well, tingin ko bukas after mag-flashback, papatayin ni Edong si Edward kasi siya yung may baril. And then in the preview, yung sa preview trailer, tinutukan ni Edong yung apat na babae ng Mabel. So, mangyayari yon, and then magpapatayan sila ni Lucas. Yun yung tingin ko na mangyayari. So, last 2 episodes, Monday and Tuesday, you will see my review on Tuesday or Wednesday in the morning, madaling araw. Depende. Busy ako sa trabaho bigla eh. Daming requirement eh. But yeah, that's my take. That is my recap of what happened. It was Edward Austin. It was Edward all along.